Multilogin is a reliable tool for managing multiple accounts. In this demo, we'll create multiple profiles using built-in proxies to manage your YouTube accounts. Open your workspace. Multilogin offers a beginner-friendly interface with drag-and-drop organization and hotkeys for smooth profile management. From the dashboard, click Create to create a new browser profile. Give your profile a clear and consistent name. Use tags and notes to keep your profiles organized. They're especially handy when managing multiple channels or clients. Choose Startup Behavior, OS Environment, and Browser Core. Mobile profile emulation is available if you need a mobile-first presence. In the Proxy tab, choose Residential or Mobile. Multilogin includes built-in proxy traffic with access to 30 million IPs across 150+ countries, so you can match profiles to your target regions with precision. If needed, specify the ISP to align with realistic network conditions. Click Check Proxy to verify the connection before launching. Fine-tune fingerprint parameters as needed. Multilogin uses 55+ fingerprint controls to mirror real user behavior. Save your configuration as a template to scale profiles faster. Click Create to finalize setup. Your YouTube profile is now ready to launch. Need more profiles? Use the Clone button on the toolbar. Settings stay consistent, while each profile remains isolated. Enter how many profiles you need and click Clone again. Your profiles are cloned. Use the AI-powered search bar for quick actions. Simply type your request and batch create with all the required settings in a single prompt. Let's launch your first profile. A window will open with a fingerprint check. Verify your IP location and other settings. Now you can create or log into your YouTube accounts. You're all set. Begin managing your multiple YouTube accounts. Thank you for watching. With Multilogin, it's simple to manage hundreds of accounts and grow your business. Start your trial today.